This is why we keep telling you that no matter what is happening to you, as far as you have life, you have hand, you can breathe, and it is not that critical. Like, just keep uploading. Just keep uploading, honestly. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, It Vibes. And I'm back again with another mind blowing video. Hi guys, doing? Hope you guys find if you guys, if this is the first time seeing, do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. I guess with that being said, let's dive right into the video of today. Anyways, I literally stopped posting like about 10 days and a lot went down on my channel, honestly. I'm losing it. When I mean a lot went down, my revenue drastically went down to like the 0.000 level. Like when I saw my revenue this morning on YT Studio, I was like, is this me? Is this me? But anyways, these are circumstances of life, or these are things that circumstances of life comes with. In today's video, I'm not only going to share with you what actually happened to my channel, but I'm also going to like share with you at the end of the day how much I've been able to make at the end of this particular month without consistently uploading videos. Okay, because this is one of the months that I have never been consistent on YouTube as a content creator due to my health issues. Anyways, the first thing that actually happened to me on YouTube here, immediately I stopped uploading, was my recommendation actually really went down. Like when I mean down, very, very down, to the point that Omo, Omo. The only thing that I know that was really, really helping me was because I have evergreen content, and those evergreen content were actually doing well for me, which is content that people keep searching over and over again. Then just imagine that I do not have evergreen content on YouTube. Like, what would have been my fate? Like, what would have happened to me? Like, I literally do not know. You understand? Now, the second thing that actually happened was my watch hour was drastically going down as well. Because if you guys do not know, YouTube calculate like every 28 days. That's how YouTube do their calculation, right? So because I used like out of the 28 days, I used like 10 full day or over 10 days without uploading, it becomes a whole lot. And at the end of the day, my watch hour like drastically dropped down. Not the 4,000 watch hour. I have over 100,000 watch hour on this Vibe with Sonia channel. So it is not even about the 4,000 watch out, but like it went down. And you guys know that the moment it went down, definitely revenue will definitely go down too. And honestly, that was the painful part, the revenue part. Although I already know that these things will actually happen because at the end of the day, I was not uploading. You see, that is why when YouTubers come here to tell you that no matter what is happening, just keep uploading, just keep the consistency coming. It is not a joke. It is not a joke in the sense that it is not just because you're monetized. Even if you're not monetized and you're looking forward to get monetized, the only thing you owe YouTube to be doing on YouTube is just to constantly keep pushing out content. You understand? Then, if you constantly keep pushing out content, your recommendations and every other things might be slow, but it's definitely going to get better. It is not going to limit you out there. You understand? So if you have the strength to push out content, please do so. Everything relating my analytics is low. And this is the worst part that is happening to me right now. So because I took a longer break to come back to YouTube for the first time in history ever since I started my YouTube channel for the past 4 years now, the vibes to film video is not there. That's just the honest truth. You guys know that I'm this kind of person that I don't know how to pretend. I don't know. The vibes to film a video is not there. If not, normal me, you would have seen like one video, two video, three video today. But the vibes is not there. Like I keep just calculating with myself, like, how do I even start? Like, what do I even say? Like, not like I do not have a content idea. So I have content ideas here. As you can see, is already on my board. I have like 7 different content ideas that I'm supposed to film for my YouTube videos, but the vibe is not there. But at the end of the day, we don't come back. So we have to bring the vibes by force, and it's going to be like vibes on vibes, right? So that is why no matter what you do, please do ensure that you keep pushing out your content back to back on YouTube. Do not allow anything to limit you. Do not allow anything that is not that critical. Let me put it like that to actually limit you. Anyways, with that being said, I'll just go ahead and share with you guys how much I make for the month of June, even without uploading videos consistently. Okay, so let's just get right into that end. This for the month of June. So these are my content. You can see for my new viewers, for my videos alone, I have over 70, as you guys can see, 0.8k view. For my short, 1.1k view. And then for my live stream, 8.5k view. And then for my returning viewers, I have 30,000 video views. I have 6.5k for my short, and live stream 7.7k, and of which I was so grateful for that. Then you guys can see how my views actually went. The total of June, I had video views of 195.3k view. For short, I have 32.1, and for live stream, I have 25.7. And yeah, thank you so much, all of you that made that possible. You guys can see my impression, 2.9 million. You guys can see views from my impression, 1.149, and then you can see 7.3k for impression watch paid ads, right? Now if we go to my audience in the month of June, because this is just for the month of June, if you guys check on this end, I've been able to change this to just the month of June, right? You can see 33.8k returning viewers. You can see unique viewers 113.7, and you can see subscribers as well, and of which I'm so grateful. You can see videos growing my audience. Most of these videos are my videos. In fact, all of these videos, sure. You can see these are enough information for YouTube to actually work with. You can see device watching as well. You can see not subscribed, 74.1. Please, if you are watching and you have not subscribed, do what, subscribe. You can see for my age and gender, you can see male, female, and you can see my age categories as well, which is 13 to 17, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and 45 to 54. Like, all age categories are really watching my content, and of which I'm grateful. And then you can see the states that are watching me the most. Okay, that watch me the most in the month of June, because every month is different. So I have Nigeria, I have United States, I have Kenya, I have South Africa, and I have United Kingdom. If I click on more, we're going to see more, but there's no need for that. So you can see my format, your viewers watch your content, and so on and so forth. Anyways, so if I go to my revenue, because I don't want to waste anybody's time, you can see that for the month of June, I made this. I made 816.7. I made $816.70. And if you check my overview to make everything more softer for everybody, you can see that what I actually had here was total views 253.1k, watch time 10.8k, subscribers 4.4k, and then estimated revenue I have $816.70. And yeah, so this was how much I actually made in the month of June, as you guys can see. Anyways, let's get back to this video. After seeing how much I made in the month of June, what do you think? Do you think that this particular month I'm going to be making up to this amount I actually showed you guys, or I'm going to be making less? Because honestly, I don't even know where my hopes are right now, because I feel like I'm going to be making less. But anyways, fingers crossed. The most important thing is that we're making money on YouTube, and that is why I just have to like open up and like show you guys, oh guys, this is how much I actually made in this month though. So that it should not be like, are you sure what Sonia is saying is true? That's why I took you guys to my studio. You understand? So with or without me, without me uploading consistently, this was what I was able to still get on YouTube, and I'm grateful and I do not take it for granted. And I just want to say thank you so much to everyone super chatted that made this possible, to everyone that was actually sending super thanks and so on and so forth. God really, really super bless you guys. Anyways, are you still considering to continue doing YouTube and uploading consistently? Let me know in the comment section. Are you not considering it again? Are you changing your mind already? Let me know as well in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If your channel is still suffering, I don't know what to do, you're even frustrated, you're like, are you sure I can do it? This is where I personally run her one-on-one coaching for you, where I personally go to your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add. And with this flyer that is displaying, and also with the mail that you're seeing on your screen, 319 at gmail.com, you can be able to send us a mail and let's get your channel started. started, because the most important thing is for us to still keep making money constantly on YouTube. Anyways, with no further ado, I look say in my videos. I'm going to sit back and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys.